You see everybody making money online and you're lost, wondering how you get started. How do I do this? I got you. If you've never seen me before, my name is Lane and I teach women how to make money online and get to the bag and leave that 9 to 5 if you want to. Hey y'all, in this video, I'm going to be teaching y'all how I get paid from Instagram Reels and YouTube content when it comes to selling digital products. So y'all probably seen me post 6-7 second videos or Reels over on IG and then also YouTube Shorts. Then you see me cashing out $500, $700, even $1,000 in one day sometimes, y'all. And I get DMs and messages all the time saying, girl, how are you getting paid from posting little short videos? And then y'all ask, is Instagram paying for your views? Nope. That's exactly what I'm going to be breaking down in this video today. I'm going to show you exactly how I make money promoting digital products through Instagram Reels, the process, and exactly how you can get started too. So first, let me clear something up. Instagram is not paying me for views. The real money comes from having something to sell. And that can be one or two things. You can be selling your own digital product, or you can be doing an affiliate, which is selling somebody else's product for commission. So think of it like this. Imagine you made a TikTok or Instagram showing your favorite lipstick, but you had a link where people could buy. Every time somebody bought from that link, you would get paid. That's basically what's happening here, but it's with digital products. Now, when I say digital product, I mean something people can buy and get instantly online. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse. This could be an ebook, it could be a set of Canva templates, course, a membership, printable, a guide, literally anything that could be downloaded and accessed immediately. Usually comes in the form of a link or a file. The beauty of it, you can make it once and sell it over and over again. Or if you don't want to make one, you get to promote somebody else's product that has already been done for you and get paid as an affiliate. So here is step by step how Reels turn into money. You make a reel that grabs attention. That's your hook. It could be something relatable, a quick tip, or even a result you've gotten from something. The goal is to stop the scroll. Stop the person from actually scrolling to want to see what it is that you are talking about in the first place. Step 2, in the reel or the caption, that's where you talk about your product or the transformation that it gives people. You don't have to spill every detail, but just enough to make them curious. Step 3, you give a call to action, always. It could be click the link in bio, DM me for more, comment a certain keyword, and I'll send you the info straight to your inbox. Step 4, they go to the link, they see the offer, and they buy. And boom, you get paid. If it's your own product, you get paid 100%. If it's an affiliate, you get paid according to the commission. So think of the reel as your digital billboard. It's just to get eyes on your product or your offer. Now there's 2 ways to do this. Option 1, your own product. You make something yourself. Maybe it's a $27 product. Maybe it's a bundle. Depending on what you make is going to determine how you price it. So let's say you make a $27 product and you sell 10 of those. That's $270. You control everything, the price, the content, the delivery. Option 2, an affiliate product. You promote somebody else's product or offer and get a cut of every single sale. So for an example, I promote UBC as one of my products. It's a $499 course. It's the exact course that I started with as a beginner. Every time I promote the course and I help other women get started, I get 85% commission, y'all. That's $424 every time I make a sale. Same thing for another product that I have, which is brand new. Every time I promote that, it's $297. I make 80% commission. So I make around $237 every sale. The good thing about this, you don't have to create a thing. The work is already done for you. A lot of beginners start with affiliate products because it's faster to get started. But long term, creating your own offer is always an option. Now here's the secret sauce that most people don't tell you. Branding. Yep, you heard that right. Branding. Branding isn't just colors and fonts. It's your voice, your message, how your content makes somebody feel, how you consistently show up so people know exactly what you're about. All of that is branding. For example, when people land on my page, they instantly know that I help women break free from the 9-to-5 grind with digital products. So when I post a reel showing how I made $500 in a day, they already know it's connected to what I teach and what I sell. If you skip branding, you may still get views, but you will not get consistent sales. Think of it like this. Branding is how people know and trust you. That's how you build that trust, you build that community, and people really trust you with your knowledge and also with their money. If you skip the branding, it makes it very, very hard for you to make income in this space. Branding is super, super important. If you don't hear anything else from this video, branding is something that you need to master and you need to get it right if you want to have longevity in this space. Now, let me put you on to something that has been a game changer to me for the past 2.5 months. My AI twin. If you're someone who is curious about AI or you don't want to be on camera every single day, stop and listen to this. An AI twin is basically a clone of yourself that you can use to post videos and content every single day without ever having to show up on camera, put on makeup, do your hair. And let me tell you, it makes time management so much better because you have more free time. I can literally type out what I want her to say, put it in my voice, and she delivers with my style and my face. She promotes my products for me even on days when I'm tired, I don't feel like showing up on camera, and I'm just burnt out with content. It allows me to remain consistent and get reels out every single day. This has freed up so much of my time while just still allowing me to show up for my audience online and keep that consistent content going on a regular basis. And this is part of what I'm gonna give you for free if you're one of the first 5 people to take action, but I'll tell you a little bit more in just a second. So, quick little recap, just so y'all clearly understand, y'all. Digital products is amazing. The high profit margin is what's allowing people just like me who have quit their 9-to-5 job to be able to do this and triple their income, if not more, y'all. I literally went from being a working burnout 9-to-5 working mama to a full-time digital entrepreneur because I decided to take action one day and learn the skill of digital marketing. All digital marketing is promoting online. You're selling something on the internet, and because you're doing it on social media, that's an act of digital marketing. The fact that I sell digital products is a bonus, y'all. I sell digital things, so you make a one-time investment into a product and you're able to resell that exact same product over and over and over again. And the way that you do that, since it's not something physical that I can physically show, you do it through posting little short videos, y'all, also known as reels on Instagram, or you can do this on TikTok or YouTube. You use those videos to get eyes on your product and find your audience. So basically, by creating these short videos, I'm able to use hooks on the screen, which is just scroll stopping text, to stop the person in their tracks and make them more curious about what it is that I'm promoting. And if you promote your product well enough and you show people that it's a solution to their problem, people will buy from you. So if your product solves a problem and it reaches the right people and you hit those pain points to get them to understand the product is for them and it's going to solve a problem that they have, and you've built trust through your branding, you will be able to succeed in this space and make consistent sales, y'all. People buy from people they trust. Branding is what builds trust. It's all about having a clear niche, know what it is you're talking about and who you're talking to, which is your target audience. Have a consistent style, a consistent tone, and a recognizable voice and message. So, quick little tips that I'm gonna leave you with. Pick one product and focus on that. Don't try to start out selling 5, 6, 10 different things. Pick one, focus on that. Don't overwhelm yourself with too many offers. 1 to 2 tops. Post consistently. It doesn't have to be perfect, but once you start, remain consistent and post every single day. Always give a call to action so people know what to do next. If you don't leave a call to action, people don't do anything. So always, always, always use some kind of call to action, whether it's follow me for more, save this video so you can come back to it, comment this keyword and I'll send you the info. click the link in bio. All of those are different examples of call to actions. One of the very last things that I want to add that's probably the most important when it comes to selling online is being you. Don't try to be nobody else. People connect with people, not just products. Your story, your personality, your values, that's what makes people trust you enough to buy from you. When I first started, I didn't try to sound like some corporate robot or just like I knew it all. I just showed up and told my story from a place of being a burnout 9-to-5 working mom, living paycheck to paycheck, and how I was learning digital marketing and it was changing my life. When you share the real you, the ups, the downs, the lessons, people see themselves in you and they start thinking, if she can do it, I can do it. You don't have to fake being perfect. You don't have to copy what everybody else is doing. Your audience will feel it if you're trying too hard and trying to be somebody that you're not. Just be authentic, stay true to yourself, and show up consistently. At the end of the day, people are not buying the product, they're buying the person behind it. And if they feel like they trust you, they'll be more likely to pull out their card and buy from you. I literally went from being paycheck to paycheck to making $5 to $10K a month strictly selling digital products, y'all. If I can do this, you can do it too. And I did it simply by just being myself and talking about my journey. Now, y'all listen, if this video has you thinking, okay, I want to do this, I want to try this, I actually want to start selling digital products and showing up online, then the best place to start, if you don't have any other type of branding course already, is going to be Brand You. That is a program that teaches you branding and also incorporates AI with it to help you build your brand faster and show up stronger. It's perfect if you don't already have a branding course because it's going to teach you how to show up online and stand out and make content that actually gets sales and not just likes. And I'm going to do something special for the first 5 people that join Brand You after watching this video. I am going to gift you Face Forward AI, also known as FFAI, which is the AI twin community that teaches you how to build an AI clone to actually show up and be in your content so you don't even have to pick up the camera and create content to sell your digital products. This is exactly how I learned how to create my AI twin, just like this.
Y'all keep saying you're broke, but you scroll right past the exact thing that could change that. This isn't even me. It's my AI twin.
So that I can show up on days that I didn't really feel like showing up, y'all. I'm showing up every single day and I'm not even having to pick up the camera when I'm posting these short videos to promote my products. This is the exact community that I learned it with. And not only are you going to learn how to clone yourself and have your clone talking, walking, and doing all the things, it's also going to allow you to earn commission, 70% commission, because you can also be an affiliate of this program and make income just by simply using your twin to promote your digital products. On top of that, you're also going to get access to my private group chat and one-on-one coaching from me if you need it, just for being one of the first 5 people to join Brand You. So if you've been watching me thinking, I wish I could be doing what she's doing, I wish I could quit my 9-to-5 too, this is your chance because you absolutely can. So don't sleep on this. Once these 5 spots are gone, you can still, of course, join Brand You, but Face Forward AI will not be gifted to you for free, y'all. And that's $197 value. Real quick, so y'all really understand what you're going to get if you take action. Brand You is where you're going to learn how to build a brand, how to actually stand out online, how to create content that makes people trust you, follow you, and buy from you over and over again. When you join Brand You, you're not just going to be learning, but you're also going to be able to use it as your first digital product that you can be an affiliate for and earn 80% commission. That means you're learning a skill and making money at the same time. On top of that, you're getting Face Forward AI, which is the AI twin community that teaches you how to build AI clone so you can have a twin show up for you on days that you don't want to get out of bed, days you don't want to do your hair, days you don't want to put on makeup. And I'm not throwing you in there alone because you're getting one-on-one coaching from me and also access to my private group chat to also help you along the way. This is the exact setup that has been working. If you put in the work, this can work for you too. So there you have it, y'all. That's how you get paid by posting Instagram Reels selling digital products. The link will be down in the description, so go ahead, click it now, get in, and let's start building your business together. I will see you on the inside. Bye, y'all.